we will take next two questions together. They both are dealing with science, and both are by H.L. Nilsson from Runnis and the University of Iceland. So first part is, what is the role of science in the governance of the Arctic region? And what are the most significant contributions by outside stakeholders to Arctic science and research cooperation? Maybe Heather will start.
Yeah, I can start. This is my perspective, and I'm a social scientist, so I'm probably biased, is that there's a huge imbalance of focus on environmental and natural sciences in the Arctic, and a real problem with providing better social science and humanities research in the Arctic. And that probably contributes to kind of the incredible policy focus on climate change and environmental protection versus human development. I know they're linked. I'm not, trying to separate them, but I'm saying, we know almost nothing about Arctic economies. And if you want to move away from the extractive industries, then we need a lot more thinking and a lot more possibilities on how you have a more sustainable economy, if Matthias says if that's even possible. And so for me, we could be doing a lot better and a lot more if we focus more on social sciences. And again, like you say, Ego, on translating that knowledge into governance and into policy. But right now, I think we have the environmental impacts of climate change on the Arctic pretty well known. I don't think a lack of knowledge there is what is hampering policy in that area.
Thank you. Who will continue?
If I may,
Matthias, please.
Yeah, if I may. Which science? You see, the problem I see is that science is highly fragmented. You have the anthropologists, and you have the system sciences and the glaciologists, and none of them. It's not an Arctic problem. It's a problem of the scientific community, which basically is not capable to link all these dots that are being assembled from different corners, and there is no real institution that is capable to make all these links. So I would even be as provocative as to say, we don't need more science. We know enough. What we need is to link these things together. And to the second question, science is global. It doesn't matter whether it's people in the Arctic or anywhere. This is global science. So anybody is welcome to link the dots.
Thank you. Mia?
I would like to add to that also, Lassi. Yes, that was one of the points I tried to make in my talk as well. We need interdisciplinarity. I think we're at a point, like Matthias is saying, I very much agree with that. We have enough science, and we have enough science to point to what is happening. We just don't enough cooperation, perhaps, or understanding to connect the dots and to present what is happening, what is about to happen, from a multidisciplinary perspective. And I think that should be in our focus, at least from an academic perspective, but also from a societal perspective, definitely, yes.